In this video, we will show you how to submit a public comment on a measure undergoing endorsement and maintenance, or E&M review. Public comments are an open and transparent way for anyone to share their feedback with endorsement committees and measure developers. Let's get started. The intent of the public comment period is to gather all feedback, supportive or non-supportive, on the measures under endorsement review. Public comments are reviewed and considered by the E&M committees while they decide whether to endorse a measure. Any interested party may submit a public comment via the PQM website on any measure up for review for a given endorsement cycle. Public comments can only be submitted during a certain time within each cycle. The comments are posted publicly on the respective measure page for full transparency. Each E&M cycle has a 30-day public comment period. The public comment period starts when Battelle staff publishes the measure specifications, testing results, and all supporting evidence from the developer to the PQM website. For the fall cycle, the public comment period occurs between December and January. The spring cycle public comment period occurs during June and July. Now that you know the purpose and timing of the E&M public comment period, let's go over how to submit a comment for a measure. When measures undergoing endorsement review are available for public comment, Battelle will send out a notification to all PQM members that the public comment period is open. If you're not currently receiving these notifications, it's easy to sign up. Go to the PQM Get Involved page and sign up to be a member. As a member, you can receive these public comment notifications, as well as newsletters and announcements. To begin leaving a public comment, click on Get Involved to open the drop-down menu and select Public Comments. The Public Comments page opens. The Public Comments section contains public comment opportunities for measures and other PQM materials, such as guidebooks and new policies. By default, the Public Comments page displays the Documents tab. To find the measures, select the Measures tab. The list of measures that are open for public comment appears on this tab. You can leave a comment on any measure that says Open in the Comment Status column. This list automatically filters to show measures that are currently under review. Click on the measure of interest. You will be taken directly to the measure page. Here, you will find all the information on the measure for review. When you are ready to leave a comment, go to the Comments tab, then click on Public Comments. Scroll down to the Leave a Comment section. Enter your organization, your email, and the subject of your comment. Now, write your comment in the comment field. Before you can submit your comment, you must answer the math question. This check verifies you are a real person. Then, click the Submit button. Please note that your comment will not be published right away, so do not worry if you do not see it immediately after submission. Battelle staff must review comments before they are published. This ensures that the comments are submitted to the correct measure. For this reason, please allow 1 to 2 business days before you expect to see your comment. That's it! That's how you can submit a public comment on an E&M measure. Thanks for watching! If you need assistance or have any questions, please contact PQM support at battelle.org.